people who are afraid of bees. These are honeybees, mostly honeybees, coming in here to get a drink. Tried to shelter it a little from the sun. That water was pretty warm. I'm sitting here on the back deck, and those bees are flying all around me. You can see the shadows on the deck. I got nothing to be afraid of. Honeybees don't want to sting because they know if they do, they'll die. Their stinger comes off. They're the only bee that happens to. They don't want to die. So as long as I don't bother them, and I'm not, they won't bother me. They sting only to protect their hive and if you step on them or something.